United States Postal Service in USA. I am Indian in USA, your NRI Raja, and these are the PO boxes that you can buy and have your business mails or your home mails delivered here instead of your home. And because of corona, we are standing and maintaining 6 feet distance here. Here are the self-serving kiosk boxes where you can weigh and print labels, and you can mail it, ship it directly if you drop in that box here. And here is a United States Postal Service, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people serving in the counters, and there is around like 3 or 4 customers before me. And here also they sell stamps and boxes and some tape. And here is the post office. Subscribe to get a glimpse of life of NRIs here in USA who are living here. I'm living here for 20 years, and I would like to show you the Indian NRIs lifestyle here, just to compare with the Indians, just to get a glimpse of how different is the lifestyle here. Please subscribe. Your NRI Raja, Indian in USA video every Friday.